Do you think that you figured out the Admiral Wilson UFO Notes PDF leak? Because if you do, I may have some brand new information for you that I'm going to present in this video coming from the Central Intelligence Agency. The Admiral Wilson Notes leak describes a meeting on a series of notes by the scientist Eric W. Davis and the former deputy director of the Defense Intelligence Agency. For reals. That's Admiral Wilson. My name's Joe, welcome to Beyond Theory, and if you're interested in exploring facts beyond the explained, follow the logic, follow the data by subscribing. These notes, taken or written down in 2002, purportedly describe an attempt by Admiral Wilson to gain access to what's called a Special Access Program. Well, what is a Special Access Program? A Special Access Program means that you need to have double top secrets. In this Special Access Program that Admiral Wilson purportedly tries to gain access to, he's meeting with the SAP administrators, and they tell him, we've got an alien reproduction vehicle. We're not letting you into the program. We're not going to take you for a tour, even though you're kind of high up in the government, DIA and all that. But it's a slow-going process, and we're trying to reverse engineer this alien craft. We've had it for years. Hey, we can't let you in or tell you anything about it. Seems pretty plausible so far, don't it? Well, it's obvious to me that Admiral Wilson in this document didn't actually get the core secret, because if he did, he would have been let into the program. They didn't tell him what the core secret was, so we really don't know what it was that this group was hiding. Drilling into this idea of a Special Access Program, I took it upon myself, along with my team, to present to you factual evidence that Special Access Programs actually exist and isn't just a bunch of bunk. In this 1973 declassified CIA document, we gain a little bit of knowledge about these Special Access Programs. The Wilson Davis memo is not whistling Dixie through a straw hat. This stuff's real. Programs sponsored by agencies outside the DoD, the Department of Defense, are not reportable. Programs will not be grouped into generic types, such as space programs or missile programs. So in this rule from 1973, where they're trying to hide every gosh darn thing, we learn that the space Special Access Programs are different than missile Special Access Programs. If you think that that's just circumstantial evidence, wait until you hear this one. Declassified from the Deputy Director of the CIA to the Director of the Central Intelligence Agency, we read the Director of Central Intelligence Steering Committee has received recent confirmation from Collective Tasking that they're ready to start the dialogue on determining what space project can be decompartmented, removed from special access. Whether Admiral Wilson really had this meeting or not with the scientist Eric Davis, one thing I can tell you from this brief research is Special Access Programs exist, and they have been trying to cover up the fact that these are space Special Access Programs that differ from nuclear missile Special Access Programs. Now, to me, I kind of think that that's important. You let me know out there in the comments section down there if you think that's important too. Give me a thumbs up, and then check out this video right here for our Military Space Force research series. Go click on that. Do it! I don't know. This X-37B looks kind of secret to me. It's like a space drone that stays up there for years. I got a Freedom of Information Act request on that too.